At a spirited press conference at IFFI today, the team behind Lala Poppy, a tender, gender-fluid love story set in the pulse of Mumbai, opened up about the film's journey, its social resonance, and its deep commitment to honest representation. Director Kajad Gustad, producer Bobby Bedi, and actors Veer Singh and Suruj Rajkhova came together to discuss a film that dares to center love above labels, humanity above binaries, and authenticity above spectacle. Producer Bobby Bedi set the tone early, reflecting on why he chose to back this project after decades of producing major films. Every big film becomes big because audiences embrace it, he said, insisting that Lala Poppy moves in the same direction, with sincerity and connection at its core. Recalling that the film was finalized at last year's IFFI in Goa, he noted India's evolving social landscape. While the law now recognizes transgender identities, common social acceptance still lags. For him, the film begins with a simple belief: humans come first, gender later. He emphasized that every human deserves the right to be free, to love, and to live without fear. Director Kajad Gustad built on this, saying he set out to make an honest film that speaks to the whole world. Rather than create a queer love story, he wanted to tell a relatable story of romance, one that just happens to unfold between two transgender protagonists. He spoke openly about the disciplined writing process that required years of research, close engagement with the queer community, and a commitment to getting the nuances right, as he was writing of a world that he initially knew little about. The actors Veer Singh and Suruj Rajkhova, both transgender performers, brought the conversation to an intimate, personal space. Veer reflected on the absence of people like them on screen while growing up and the wish to be that representation for someone else today. I want people like me to see me on screen and think, if this person can do it, I can do it too, said Veer. Suruj added that although queer characters have long been shown in Indian cinema, they were often placed as caricatures or comic relief. Lala Poppy, Suruj said, gives them the chance to exist on screen as human beings first. That in itself feels groundbreaking. When asked whether the film was aimed at a queer audience or a mainstream one, Bobby Bedi was clear: it's a film for people, not a film for festivals. He spoke about taking the film to mainstream festivals, cinemas, and OTT platforms because, at its heart, the film belongs to the public at large. Kajad reiterated that Lala Poppy is not a message movie. He avoids overt moralizing and instead hopes that the film's emotional truth will speak for itself. A story has to engage its audience. Love transcends gender, and that message doesn't need to be shouted, it needs to be felt. For both actors, the film represents hope for visibility, dignity, and the beginning of a cinematic landscape where trans people can simply be seen as people. It feels like history, Suruj said. As the session closed, what remained was a resonant message: Lala Poppy is not just a film about gender transition, it is a film about love, courage, and the right to exist. In a world still learning to accept fluid identities, the film stands as a luminous reminder that love, in all its forms, deserves room to bloom.